everybody, I'm Chef AJ and welcome to my test kitchen in Indio, California. I am so excited today to show you these new products. I have not tasted them yet and I'm actually really hungry, which is the best time to not only taste things but to eat vegetables. If you follow me, you may know that a few months ago I did a tasting of some fabulous sauces that are free of sugar, oil, and salt, which is a way that I eat, created by Dillon Homes of Well Your World. And I did a live taste testing. I had never tasted them before, and I always give you my honest opinion. Well, he has created a line of salad dressings that are free of sugar, oil, and salt. And I am excited to taste them live right now. So we'll start over here. We have 5 identical salads. Let me just tell you what the flavors are. We've got a balsamic, we've got an Italian, we've got a desert Catalina, which I believe is supposed to be like a French. We have a sweet mustard, which is a honey mustard, and we have a sweet heat, which I think is going to be like a Southwest. So I'm putting them in order of what I think is probably the spiciest over here. Got a glass of water with Snoopy on it, cleanse my palate in between. This is live and this is real, and I am so hungry now because I just spun for an hour and I cannot wait to eat my salad. All these salad dressings come in glass bottles, and if you order $50 or more anywhere in the United States, you'll get free shipping. And if you use my code, which is wellyourworld.com/ChefAJ, you will get a free month of Dillon's live fabulous cooking show that he does twice a month, and there's about 40 replays, so that is something that's really spectacular right there. If you live outside the United States, he is shipping to Canada. It's going to be a little bit more expensive, and I believe the UK and Australia, but hopefully this will be global, and I hope to interview him very soon on my channel to find out how he was able to create such unbelievable flavor without sugar, oil, and salt. The guy's not even a chef. It's amazing. So let's start with the balsamic. So it looks like balsamic. I always smell everything first. It smells like balsamic. 20 calories for 2 tablespoons. The ingredients are water, balsamic vinegar, raisins, onion, garlic, spices, and xanthan gum. He does use xanthan gum in a couple of these because otherwise they just separate and nobody wants a dressing to do that. So I'm just going to shake it up. Put a little on my salad. Now you're probably going to want to know how long these last, and Dillon told me that if you don't open them, they will last for 2 years unopened. That's incredible. So many people are panicking now with the coronavirus. I couldn't even get paper towels or water at Costco, so panic and buy all these dressings now because they're going to last for 2 years. Once they're open, he says it's just like any other condiment. Okay, this is my beautiful chopped salad that I've showed you how to make before in my Holland bowl milk. So I'm just going to mix it around and taste it. It's nice. It's not overpowering. I can already tell you my husband is going to love this one. It's got garlic, but it's not overwhelming from the garlic, which is a lot of people have a tendency to do that in SOS free cooking because we need onion and garlic for flavor. It's just enough. This tastes like a balsamic that you would get in any restaurant like Olive Garden. So I'm giving it my thumbs up. And you know I'm telling the truth because I'm the worst poker player. I used to be a professional poker dealer, and that's why I couldn't be a player because if I'm lying, you're going to see it in my face. And but this is really, really good. I mean, this is so good that I actually want to finish eating it, but I need to get through all the tasting. So this one is the Italian. I always think about Italian dressing from when I was little. My mom used to make it. I think it was called 7 C's. It was a cruet. It was this little glass bottle that came with this package of seasoning, and you added your own water, vinegar, and oil, and then shook it up. So I have very fond memories of Italian dressing, and this smells like Italian dressing. This one is only 15 calories for 2 tablespoons. It contains water, raisins, distilled vinegar, onion, apple cider vinegar, garlic, lemon juice, xanthan gum, and spices. Okay. And you know, if you want to know why I don't eat sugar, oil, salt, or Dillon doesn't, you know, we both have so much content that explains why we don't. But even if you did, these are so good, you won't know that they're free of sugar, oil, and salt. And I think the labels are just really beautiful. Which, okay, just a little. I'm actually a person that likes light dressing. You know, I have so many of Dillon's sauces left from my first order because I condiment lightly. That's just my palate. But I find that when something is this tasty, you don't need a lot. So mix it up a little. Same identical salad. It tastes totally different than the other one. I mean, they're totally different. This tastes exactly like Italian dressing that you would get in any supermarket in a bottle, Kraft, I don't know the names. It's been forever since I bought something in a bottle. It's going to be hard for you guys to I mean, if you're only going to get one. I mean, you may as well get all 5 and then get your free shipping. Charles is going to like this one too. That's the problem with his sauces, is they're all good, so you're not going to be able to decide. Desert Catalina. I remember the French dressing from Kraft growing up. And I love that he uses like food in his dressing. If you were to look at a bottle of, say, honey mustard dressing from Kraft, there's these names that I couldn't pronounce that were like college level chemicals. There's food in here, right? Like raisins, dates, you know, there's no high fructose corn syrup, there's no sugar, there's no oil and salt either. And that's really hard to get flavor like this without salt. And I hope when I interview him, I know he's not going to give his secret away, but maybe he'll tell us how he develops these amazing flavors. So this one has water, apple cider vinegar, tomato, figs, garlic, onion, mustard seed, paprika, one of my favorite spices, white pepper, citric acid, and spices. Okay. Shake it up. I always, it almost has like a feel like of a barbecue sauce smell. But that's paprika. Anything with paprika, you got me, you know? All right, let's see. I love the way it pours. It's thick without being too thick. That's why some of them have xanthan gum. If you've ever tried to make dressings on your own, you know that sometimes without just a tiny bit of that, the flavor will be good, but it won't stick to your lettuce. Okay. This has a very subtle smokiness. Now, this is not my favorite, and not because it's not good, because it's not a dressing that I would normally eat. But I like it. And what I'm thinking is I would use this as a sauce. I would use this as a sauce on vegetables like steamed cauliflower because it is so flavorful. But for a salad, I'm more in this camp. But that does not mean it's not good. It's delicious. It tastes like what it's supposed to. But I'm thinking of this even to dip potatoes in. So far they're all winners. Now I love the color of this one. I love the name Sweet Mustard because honey mustard was always one of my favorites. Oh, let's see. The calories in this one was 15 for 2 tablespoons. This one is a little higher, 35 for 2 tablespoons. It contains apple cider vinegar, water, dates, probably that's where the calories are coming from, but that's where the sweetness is going to come from. Mustard seed, onion, I never know how to say turmeric. Is it turmeric or turmeric? And spices. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. See, I like food that's pretty, and that is a very beautiful color. Okay. I think I already know I'm going to like this. No, I'm going to love it. Okay. I'm going to eat all of this one. Okay. Sorry. Of course I would like the one that is the most calorically dense. That's just the pleasure trap 101. And again, not that I didn't like these, but that's the dressing. If I was, even before I was vegan, if I was at a salad bar, I'd always go for the ranch or the honey mustard. This one, well, I can't say if you're only going to try one, try this one, because I haven't tried this one yet, but this will not disappoint. I think I forgot to take the water sip before this one, so I should really go back and try it and give it a fair shake. It is good. But again, this has a barbecue sauce feel. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back because now I'm going to use that as a sauce. These two for company for sure when you have people over, because these are so familiar. Nobody's going to say, where's the oil, where's the sugar, where's the salt, where's all the other crap they put in there. All right, the last one has some heat to it. That's why I'm doing it last. This is called Sweet Heat. Great name, 20 calories per tablespoon. The ingredients are water, dates, apple cider vinegar, tomato, garlic, onion, chipotle, which is my favorite, one of my favorites, habanero, those are hot, and spices. Again, all the texture is great on these, the consistency I mean, because they're thick enough to stay on your salad, but they're not so thick. Because sometimes when I make my salad dressings, I'll put something like chia seeds in and then I'll try to pour it out and it doesn't come out. So that's not good. Okay. Somebody just asked me the other day how I would make a Southwestern salad dressing. So now I can just say, go to wellyourworld.com/chefaj. Why make it when somebody else makes it for you? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love this. Now this will be too spicy for my husband, I can tell you right now, but he has like the palate of an infant. For me, it's just the right amount. You know, in culinary school, the teachers would spit, which they do that because if they're tasting 50 things, of course they can't swallow them. But you don't really appreciate how something tastes unless you swallow it, because there's this little thing that happens afterwards. And it's just the right. It's for people that do not like anything spicy, this may be too much for you. But for me, this is perfect. And again, I can totally, for me, see using this as a dipping sauce for French fries. It would be amazing. Now, I'm an alchemist. So one of the things I'm thinking is, wouldn't it be good to mix these two flavors? Let's see what happens. And have sort of a speedball, because I would do that in the real world, like when I would go to a salad bar. So let's see what it tastes when you mix 1 part honey mustard with 1 part chipotle, or excuse me, sweet heat. Oh, this is very, very good. This is amazing. Half and half. Because you get the sweetness from here and the smokiness from here. What's going to happen? I'm going to try mixing these two. Because that's what I do in life. You know, you don't always have enough of one thing. Oh, I need a sip though. Because this has a nice, it has a kick, but it's not going to overwhelm you. Unless you have the palate of an infant like my husband. It's like, oh, it's so hot. We have to buy these things for him called tamed jalapenos. But again, everybody's different. It's good, but they're equally good separate. So that is my honest 100% opinion. These are incredible. They're a game changer for those that are struggling for delicious salad dressings. You can't buy a healthy salad dressing in the store, let's face it, unless you want to buy just plain apple cider vinegar. And of course you can make dressings at home, but look at the variety. Give them a try. You get free shipping for orders over $50. And if you just use my name, Chef AJ, in the code wellyourworld.com/ChefAJ, you'll get a free month of the wonderful cooking class. You can watch all the archived ones. And even if you don't live in the United States, you can buy these. Just talk to him about shipping for your country. For sure, Canada, Australia, England, and the United States. Free shipping over $50. So if you try each one of these, you got your free shipping. So thank you so much, Dillon, for sending me these to try. I think they're absolutely delicious. I wish you so much success, and I so appreciate your work, because now he has 5 sauces, 5 salad dressings. Who knows what more to come? Maybe a ranch. That would be my request. That would probably be the one thing that I think is still missing in the plant-based world. And I hope you guys will give this a try. So thanks so much for watching. I'm Chef AJ, and I usually say I make healthy taste delicious, but in this case, Dillon Holmes from Well Your World makes healthy taste delicious and easy, because man, you gotta eat your salad. It's so important. Listen, people think that's all I eat is vegetables. Are you kidding me? I eat 3 to 4 pounds of starch a day, but we gotta eat vegetables too. Dr. J. Gordon, eat a salad every day the size of your head. Dr. Goldhammer says, show me an overweight person and I'll show you someone unwilling to eat enough raw salad and steamed vegetables. And now with these dressings, it has never been easier or more delicious. Take care, everybody.